what's your process for, a good.
So I think the first and most important point about a good SOP, it shouldn't be generic at all. So a lot of people, what they do is they prepare one SOP and they copy paste it and just submit it for every other university. But that is now how it should be. It should be tailored according to the university prompts or ask for requirements that the university has asked in their application process. So whenever you are submitting your application or creating your application page and all, so there is always some kind of prompts given by the university regarding the ask or some information which will help you with your SOP, right? What they are really asking for. Also, again, important point, it should be tailored according to the university. Do your thorough research about the university, what really excites you about the university, how you can add value to it, how the every university is different in their own way. So try to inculcate that in your SOP. Show your genuine and true interest when you're applying, when you are creating the SOP, that you are genuinely interested to apply to the university and you really want to, just get the admission. You really want to do the coursework there. So it should reflect that. So I think one point is that. And I think one another thing that people misinterpret a lot is that your SOP should be really very fancy. It should have a lot of buzzwords, but it's not like that. I think the main purpose of SOP is to, get some points cleared, like why you want to do your master's degree from that university. It should clear those points. Why that particular course? How you are going to contribute to the university? So all these major points, it should just, it should be a simple story. It shouldn't be very fancy and all. It can be a simple and crisp story, and it can show your, yeah.
Can you walk us through exactly what like how you chose to go about answering that question around why you want to study engineering management? Because the problem that I personally ran into with that was, so I was working in tech also. I wanted to not write code and I wanted to start managing other engineers. So that was my true reason for wanting to do MEM. What I did not know was how to translate that to writing. So if you give us an example of how you kind of did that for yourself, I think that would be really helpful for the listeners.
I think I really did try to explain my life journey and what was exactly the turning point where I felt this course would really help me take it to the next level. Right. So you can really start with the most basic thing, that why did you even start, why did you even want to pursue an engineering degree? Let's start with that. So
I
start with
see.
the basic, try to inculcate your thoughts, make a storyline out of it. Try to think, why did you even at the first point wanted to do an engineering degree? Then go about what was your experience, what was your life journey, where did you work, what, I don't know, for example, like what student club really you would probably hit that point
Hmm.
that you really thought that you have those skills which the course really requires, which the program really requires, right? So I mean, go about like that. Just you have to just explain your original self, like what was the turning point. If your original self says that you didn't want to code and some engineering managers what they do really excites you, try to say that in as simple as